Hey everyone, let's cover amino acids. So only the L form for levo, meaning left, of amino acids are found in proteins. Amino acids can be categorized by whether they're essential or non-essential, whether they're glucogenic, ketogenic, or both, and whether they're acidic, basic, or neutral. Don't overthink this. Essential amino acids are essential, meaning you need to consume them. The consumption of essential amino acids is necessary because humans can't produce them. Essential amino acids can be remembered by this mnemonic, and that's Private Tim Haw or Pivot Tim Haw, which was the way I remembered it, so whichever way you need to make it stick. The P is for phenylalanine, the V is for valine, T is for tryptophan, second T for threonine, I for isoleucine, M for methionine, H for histidine, A is for nethine, and that's why it's lowercase in the mnemonic, L for leucine, and second L for lysine. So the glucogenic essential amino acids, which are amino acids that can be converted to glucose via gluconeogenesis in the liver, are methionine, histidine, and valine. You can remember this by saying, I met his Valentine and she is so sweet. Sweet as in sugar or glucogenic. The essential amino acids that can either be glucogenic or ketogenic include isoleucine, phenylalanine, threonine, and tryptophan. Do you remember what the purely ketogenic amino acids are? These are amino acids that can be converted to ketone bodies and include leucine and lysine. And do you remember what enzyme deficiency requires purely ketogenic amino acids as treatment? Hopefully you remember pyruvate dehydrogenase deficiency, which requires giving these ketogenic amino acids to bypass their deficient or defective enzyme pyruvate dehydrogenase. Now, just remember that all the other amino acids that I didn't cover are the non-essential amino acids, which are the following along the bottom of the screen here. We also have acidic amino acids, which have a negative charge at physiological pH, which is usually between 7.2 and 7.6. There are only two acidic amino acids, which are aspartate and glutamate, and the alternate names for these two are aspartic acid and glutamic acid. So it's pretty easy for you to remember which two are acidic. The basic amino acids, which are usually positively charged at physiological pH, are arginine, lysine, and histidine. Arginine is the most basic, and histidine actually doesn't have a positive charge at physiological pH. Arginine and lysine are high in histones. Now, do you recall what histones are? They're the molecules that DNA wraps around. Remember that DNA is negatively charged, so the histones can increase their composition of positively charged or basic amino acids in order to attract and hold onto the DNA. The only basic amino acid that sounds like histone, which is histidine, is actually the only basic amino acid that is not really used for this purpose. And that's our video on amino acids. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up.